Madam, so what is the purpose of this meeting? Is that only silver jubilee, or is there any other reason behind it to promote the party?
See, basically, Silver Jubilee itself is one of the biggest achievement of BRS party. And secondly, you can see how Telangana has developed only in 10 years under the leadership of KCR sir. You name and you get the things done, and that is called the power of KCR. You talk from the revolution, like I have written a book about Telangana called Where the Transformation and Revolution Starts. It's about how KCR has built Telangana with all the facilities, all the provisions, what you name it. The state has developed in 10 years. It's equivalent to what the country has developed in 70 years of independence. You name the sector and you have the development, from the road infrastructure to investment to women's safety to the police department to the schemes what he has given to the poor people. Every scheme, every development you see, what Congress is portraying now as the Bharat scheme or the Bharat summit, it's actually the benefits what KTR sir and KCR sir has given to Telangana. The development what you see in Telangana, that is the reason why the foreign investments were coming in to Telangana. When you talk about the IT sector, what KTR sir has groomed it in a very well versatile way, that Telangana is able to compete with Bangalore, is able to compete with Mumbai, and all the what you saw, the multinational companies what are there in the other parts have come and made the biggest hub in Telangana. That itself is called a silver revolution, where you see the investment, where you see the employment, where you see what all benefits the other states are providing, the double standard as providing over in Telangana. So this is what Telangana is, a golden bird. You are seeing the golden era during the KCR sir's regime.
But why people didn't believe in the party again? Why they didn't vote? And
See,
is there any chance for regaining in the future?
See, of course, regaining it can be done because of all the fake agitations, all the fake allegations, all the fake newses, what was spread by Congress. That is the reason that today Congress in power. And let me ask you, in 15 months, did anyone appreciate the government of Congress, what has been done in Telangana? You see the mosification which has done to Hydra, the demolition, the destruction. You see the recent incident at the HCU, where you see only destruction. Congress has come to Telangana only to destroy the image of KCR, only to destroy the whole Telangana.
But they're claiming that now it is going to be rising Telangana and we will rule the next 10 years also.
See, Telangana was already rising when KCR sir was in power. Telangana was rising. That's the way that Congress thought it is the golden bird. It has got the opportunity to grab all the investment, all the development done in Telangana by KCR government. When you see what they have done, not a single flyover has been completed, not a single road has been completed. You see the Telangana, when you I am an NRI for almost 40 years. When I came to Telangana 7 years ago, I can see that I have landed in a different place, in a different way, where you see beautiful roads, beautiful infrastructure, you see the high-rise buildings, you see the landscapes, you see the flyovers, SNDP work, SRDP work that has changed the whole, not only Hyderabad as a main city, but also the districts. You can see main development in Telangana only by KCR. Jai Telangana, Jai KCR. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, madam.